We're going to discuss the monthly performance tab of the monthly STAR report. The monthly performance at a glance, it is a summary of your hotel's performance against a competitive set for 4 different time periods, which are current month, year-to-date, running 3 months, as well as running 12 months. Your hotel information will be populated here. The comp set includes a group of hotels that you selected to benchmark against your own hotel's performance. The competitive set must include at least 3 hotels, but 4 is preferred. A minimum of 3 hotels, excluding your hotel, must be reported in order for the STAR report to be populated. Your hotel's data can be included or excluded from the competitive set performance based on what you decide. The chosen method will be noted on top of the page, which is right here. I'll go through some of the sections of this report. Occupancy, it's rooms sold divided by rooms available. ADR, or average daily rate, is the rooms revenue divided by rooms sold. And lastly, RevPAR is the rooms revenue divided by rooms available. Keeping in mind, it has to be the total inventory, not rooms occupied. The data for your property will be in this area right here for occupancy, ADR, as well as RevPAR. Comp set will be to the right of that. And finally, there is the index. We use index to measure your performance in 3 key areas: occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR. Your property's performance divided by the competitive set performance multiplied by 100. An index of 100% means that you are capturing your fair share. Of course, anything over than that, over 100% in case you are capturing more, and conversely, anything below, you are capturing less. Depending on your hotel property though, 100% may not be enough. If you are by far the most supreme hotel in your area, your index should probably be well above 100%. On the other side, you may look at your property and you may say that 100% may be a stretch for many different reasons. So anything below that may be an appropriate index for your hotel. But ultimately, what you would like to do is to make sure that you are trending in the right direction. That's why this report is very important, because it shows you 4 different time periods, what happened last month, how you've been doing so far year to date, or the last 3 months, or the last quarter, as well as the running 12 months. It gives you a lot of comparison. So even though you may have had a good, bad, fair month 1 month, you still want to look at the other time periods to give you a great idea of how your hotel is performing. Percent change. Percent change looks at your current period this year compared to the same period last year. In this example, you can see that for the current month for your hotel, you've grown by 2.7% on occupancy compared to only 0.7% for the comp set. That gives you a positive 2.0 in index growth. Similar calculation applies to ADR as well as RevPAR. So this is a great report. It's a quick glance to look at to get a good pulse of how your hotel is doing when it comes to the different metrics of occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR for the 4 different time periods, as well as how you are growing against your competitive set.